Family, so we set up everything nice. One love there, the pan there, and we have the chicken there. As I said, guys, we're gonna employ 1,000 Kenyans by 2025. And we're starting it now. Now. As you see, guys, menu is out. Gloves, let me go and get them. Let me go and get these things if Ricardo and come. Gloves and all of these things. Alright, families, as you can see, we have a jelly man here, so. Event come on, it looks like it's going to be nice. It's going to go hard. As I said, guys, Caribbean people, Jamaican people, you know what I mean? As you know, Jamaicans, we are blessed with reggae music. And you guys need to actually earn from reggae music and not just singing reggae music. You know what I mean? So we want you to come to Kenya and start invest in entertainment and bring the music over your family. So let's go. Okay, family, so we're fully set up. And we have the JamRock Munchies. Who said who? Who said who? Jamaican food. Menu is out. Right.
Best authentic Jamaican food.
In Kenya, in Nairobi.
In Nairobi.
Yeah. Let them know. Alright, fellas, as you can see, out and about. People playing pool. One Giko there. Shisha, Jameson, Galitos. Can't compete with JamRock. Said who? Martal or VVIP. Yeah, family, so VVIP over here, so family. As you can see, VVIP. In the heart of Nairobi. Stage light up. Stage light up in Nairobi. Stage light up. Right under Sean Paul. Sean Paul, right under the Jamaican food. Wagwan. You guys can see the chicken brown up. Who said who? Come on, very good.
Gracias. Yeah, she got it. Gracias.
Yeah, right, Chinese, they love the Jamaican food, you know. Caribbean brunch. They mats it up. What say, you want flour? Or we don't want to go record and then we say you want something else. And I have to make sure you don't want, That's what I say. Yeah, the color low. Family, so as you guys know, the Sean Paul event is very strict. I'm actually pushing everybody outside now. And then if you don't have a band, I'm going to run you out of the place. Because you don't know, them pay money for Sean Paul, so everybody have to go out So I have to go out and then collect the tickets for the staffing and thing, and have them come back in, family. So let's go, family. Let's go. Ticket in here right there, so let's go. Hey, family. So we get the ticket for the staff them. As you know, the people them strict. Right now, everybody have to leave the venue and go out. Everybody have to go out and come back in and get the wristband and them on. So I have to be going and tell my people to actually go out. They have to go out. Out you go. Out you they go. Yeah, family. So we're actually outside. I said everybody have to come out and everybody have to go back inside, family. That's how the thing set. And that's how the thing go. So I'm looking for my staff, give them these tickets. Outside Sean Paul.
Let me tell you why I love you so much. Let me tell you why I'll keep you forever. Namiliki moyo wangu my honey, nikiwa nawe mimi na amani. And it's you that I prayed for. Wanna car exactly like what I saw in my dream. La 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 la. Kila la 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 la. Butter 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 butterfly, yeah yeah yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're my forever. Water into wine. Akafanya mambo yake and then later turn you into mine.
Family, so I'm here with a Diaspora Kenyan. He's actually live over there in Kenya. So I was telling him that when you guys watch my videos, you say, oh, Kenya is like this now, let me come home. These guys leave Kenya from like, when, 80s? 36 years ago. Yeah, man, so I'm telling you, Jam Tourist is doing a good job helping Kenyans come back home. Because you guys don't know what it is, because the media don't show you these things. So when you see a man like from Jamaica come doing business, I say, hey, in my country I do business, me have to come home.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So
You can envy yourself. Somebody from Jamaica come from home.
Yeah.
That's good, man. We like it.
Yeah, man. All right, man. Big up, man. As I respect, man. Jag guidance always.
And come on, hit Jack Chicken.
Yeah, man. Over there in JamRock Restaurant, BW Business Park. Yeah, man. Big up. Yeah, man.
What a love, let me tell you why I love you this much. Let me tell you why you are my treasure. Let me tell you why I love you so much. Let me tell you why I'll keep you forever. Namiliki moyo wangu my honey. put us in my dreams.
in your head.